Hi kids. Let's learn 100 popular words in Urdu. Let's go.
फल,
Fruit,
सेब,
apple,
अंगूर,
grapes,
अमरूद,
guava,
तरबूज,
watermelon,
आम,
mango,
केला,
banana,
गाजर,
carrot,
सब्जियां,
vegetables,
प्याज,
onions,
लेमू,
lemon,
लहसुन,
garlic,
टमाटर,
tomato,
खम्बी,
mushroom,
कद्दू,
pumpkin,
खीरा,
cucumber,
जिस्म के हिस्से,
body parts,
आँख,
eye,
कान,
ears,
दिल,
heart,
नाक,
nose,
टांग,
leg,
मूंछें,
moustache,
बाल,
hair,
जानवर,
animals,
बिल्ली,
cat,
कुत्ता,
dog,
मछली,
fish,
शेर,
lion,
खरगोश,
rabbit,
सांप,
snake,
चीता,
tiger,
घोड़ा,
horse,
मगरमच्छ,
alligator,
गधा,
donkey,
ऊंट,
camel,
हाथी,
elephant,
लोमड़ी,
fox,
चियूटी,
ant,
मेंढक,
frog,
मच्छर,
mosquito,
परिंदा,
bird,
मुर्गी,
hen,
गाय,
cow,
बकरी,
goat,
बंदर,
monkey,
रीछ,
bear,
शहद की मुखी,
bee,
खानदान,
family,
अब्बू,
father. Wow, you are doing amazing. We've made it halfway. What has been your favorite word so far? Tell us in the comments. And if you are having fun, give this video a big thumbs up and click that subscribe button.
अम्मी,
Mother,
लड़की,
girl,
लड़का,
boy,
बेटी,
daughter,
भाई,
brother,
बहन,
sister,
गिनती,
numbers,
सफर,
0,
एक,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10,
10,
20,
20,
50,
50,
100,
100,
1000,
1,000,
छतरी,
umbrella,
टोपी,
hat,
सूरज,
sun,
हार,
necklace,
जेब,
pocket,
ऐनक,
glasses,
कैंची,
scissors,
किताब,
book,
बिस्तर,
bed,
आईना,
mirror,
पानी,
water,
चाकू,
knife,
गेंद,
ball,
दरख्त,
tree,
पता,
leaf,
फूल,
flower,
सवाल,
questions,
सोना,
gold,
घर,
house,
शुक्रिया,
thank you,
आग,
fire,
प्लेट,
plate,
नींद,
sleep,
दूध,
milk,
औरत,
woman,
आदमी,
man,
दादी,
grandmother,
बच्चा,
baby. Yay! You did it! You learned the first 100 popular words in Urdu. Make sure to like, follow and subscribe for more fun lessons. And click the links in our description to get your printable flashcards and posters. Thank you for learning with us and see you next time. Bye bye.